at this one. Stop. Smiling fox. Thanks, Yai. I have Pop-Tart. You're taking a video of me. Get this off! Oh.
Good morning. Those students who are going to take two sections of CSSA makeup today, if their homeroom teachers would make sure, all homeroom 11th grade teachers, if you would make sure that you have given out the passes for students who will be making up some portion of the CSSA today, that would be appreciated. Thank you.
Thank you. It's warm. Stop it. I don't want that. Here, you take it. Hey, come back.
Let's dance.
Get off of me. Allie! Take this. Stop.
Why won't you do it? I don't understand.
She's being mean. Lay down.
No.
Lay down.
I will. Oh, are you recording?
Lay down.
I will.
No, you won't.
Yeah, I will.
I want to lay down.
Oh my god, my truck's on the floor.
Get on the floor.
It's gonna hurt me. Everyone's probably like with some food.
Ow.
What's up?
Hi, Jorge. We're laying down. Allie's leaving us.
What?
Don't even think about taking a picture.
Hi.
You take a picture.
Okay, hi. I don't even know who that is. It's on my butt.
I don't even know him. I'm still gonna eat this pizza like it was on the floor.
Go and go. Run.